In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DKIM in Cloudflare. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, is an essential tool for email authentication. It helps verify that the emails sent from your domain are legitimate and not being spoofed by attackers. Ensuring your emails are properly authenticated improves your email deliverability and protects your reputation. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up DKIM in Cloudflare so you can secure your domain and ensure your emails are trusted. First things first, you'll need to gather your DKIM details from your email provider. This information typically includes two key components, the selector name and the DKIM public key. The selector name is essentially a label used to locate the DKIM public key in DNS records, while the public key is the string of data that allows email servers to verify your messages. Make sure you have these details handy before proceeding. Next, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, look for the domain where you want to set up DKIM. If you manage multiple domains, double-check that you're selecting the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong configuration. After selecting your domain, navigate to the DNS section. This is where all your domain's DNS records are managed, and it's where we'll add the DKIM record. Once you're there, look for the option to add a new record. Click on Add Record to get started. Now, you'll need to specify the type of record you're adding. In this case, it's a TXT record, so set the type to TXT. TXT records are used to store text-based data and are commonly used for email authentication methods like DKIM. In the name field, you'll enter your selector name followed by domain key. For example, if your selector name is default, you'll type default.domainkey into this field. This tells the DNS system where to find your DKIM public key. Next, paste your DKIM public key into the content field. Be careful here. Make sure you're pasting the entire key exactly as provided by your email provider. It should start with v equals DKIM1, P, and continue with the string of characters that make up your public key. Avoid adding extra quotation marks, spaces, or backslashes, as these can cause issues with the configuration. After that, set the TTL, or time to live, to auto. TTL determines how long the information stays cached before it's refreshed. Setting it to auto ensures that your DKIM record is updated appropriately. One critical step is to ensure the proxy status for this record is set to DNS only. In the Cloudflare interface, this is indicated by a gray cloud icon. If it's orange, click on it to switch it to gray. This ensures that the record is managed directly by the DNS and isn't routed through Cloudflare's proxy, which could interfere with email authentication. Finally, click Save to finalize the configuration. Once you've saved the record, your DKIM setup in Cloudflare is complete. Keep in mind that it may take a few minutes or even a few hours for the changes to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if you don't see immediate results. And that's it. You've successfully added DKIM to your domain using Cloudflare. By completing this setup, you've taken an important step toward improving your email security and ensuring your messages are trusted by recipients. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.